die. No, Dash, I got this. I got this, Dash Junior. You don't trust me. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am revisiting childhood again, and I am going to be playing Terraria. Yeah, I guess you could kind of say it's kind of like a 2D Minecraft, but somewhat way more dangerous and scary. I'm pretty sure I got more scared in this video than I did in Five Nights at Freddy's. But if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button and let's get into it. Get in there. Yes, I'm keeping him hostage. I'm still trying to figure out how to do these things. I mean, it's been a while. I don't remember. What was that? Wait, give me a present. I can research it for duplication up to 10 more. But double tap to open. I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh, it's like a Christmas. Oh my gosh, I got a cookie and I just ate it. Yours. Okay. I'm trying to remember what I was doing here. Oh yes. I wanted to move my NPC houses over here. Move them down a bit so my people can get around. Cause I think no, I did not block off this area. Oh gosh, I swear I did. Okay, wait. Cause like, I know I should give them some freedom, but I don't want them running away on me. You get me, fam? Yeah, you get me, Connor. Connor, what you have to say for me? Greetings, Dash Days. Is there something I can help you with? Nah, not at all, actually. No. I'm really trying to think how to move them. I think I'll destroy the ones here on the side, and then I shall relocate my dear friend Connor over here. Maybe even upgrade his furniture inside his house, because I mean, he's got oak wood furniture. That's lame, fam. No, actually thinking about it, no. I just thought of something I can do today. Oh my gosh, it's a bunny just a sec. Wait. Bunny, come here. Let's take a selfie. Bunny, smile. Okay. I might have gotten a picture there. Sorry, fella. It's just life. It's nothing personal. You know I love you, right? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I killed the bunny. Feeling good. No, I'm not really. I just thought of something actually. You know how Minecraft, it's a don't dig straight down. Let's see if the same thing applies in Terraria. I shall go down until yes, that is a perfect thing. I mean, this is a peaceful world that I created on. So I won't lose anything major, just some coins. But like, those are easy to obtain. Actually, oh my gosh, is that, oh, I thought that was a flower. That was, my map. There's a cave if I just dig this way over here, which will probably be better than whatever I'm trying to do, because I didn't even finish exploring it, so yeah, let's do that. I might just skip through this part because, well, who wants to be seeing me dig? Let's be honest. So, oh wait, coins. Oh, powder. It is copper. I have so much money yet I still haven't gotten the money guy. The merchant. Yes. Birdie attack him. I'm not in the mood. Oh yes, I have this little sidekick bird. I call him Dash Junior. Yes, very cute little fella. Wait, was that the cave entry? It's the one I shut off. Alright, let's go down. Beep. Okay, I think I know maybe why I might have reopened this. Might just still put a door though, prevent mobs, like monsters, zombies, and all that. Let's go down! Under the caves into the mines. Ooh, no fall damage. I think I probably would. I actually don't know. I've fallen from great heights. I haven't really died. Wait. It's a decision. Okay, that goes nowhere. And then this is where I found this underground thing. I'm sure this is something rare, I hope. I really don't know. But it's cool. I mean, I could probably build a base here later. What is that? It's a slime. Bird, let's finish this. Oh my gosh. I actually need to find one of those crystal hearts. I'll probably dedicate a video for that. To that sometime in the future. To actually try find them, because it would be helpful to have more lives, because I remember I was exploring and I found the king slime. Yeah, and I was not prepared. I just had to teleport. Wait, I could have teleported home. Oh, my. No, I didn't. No, I didn't mean to do that. Yes, and here's the chests and my beautiful artwork. I'll definitely be upgrading this later on. I just don't know when. Random furnace out here, but I mean it's safe, ain't that right, Connor? Yes. Wait, actually I have a question to ask you. Help. Underground are crystal hearts which can be used to increase max life. Yes, that's what I've been looking for, but I don't know where to find them, Connor. 3 fallen stars, blah blah blah, fallen stars. Yes, there are many different ways to attract people to move into your town. They will of course need a home to live in. Yeah, I'll consider that. In order for a room to be considered a home, yeah, 2 people won't live with each other. I know that, like. If you want a merchant to move in, you will need to gather plenty of money. 50 silver should do the trick. You might want to increase 50 silver coins. I have like more than 50. I can change more into silver coins. But we'll do that next time or later on. I don't know. Hopefully we can get a merchant to move in. I would like to buy some of their stuff. I've seen some of their things they sell are pretty cool. In case they don't rip you off like villagers with their emerald prices. Like, I cannot believe the deals I have seen in... No, bird, leave him alone. It's not worth it. Dash Junior. We're going underground. Maybe we can finally find a crystal heart. That would be cool. But I should be careful because underground there's a lot of things. Where are you flying the bro? Red slime. Actually, have I fought one before? I don't think so. What is this? Giant bow. I can equip that? Wait. Let's get into the light. Bow. I'm like a pretty little princess. Thank you, slime, that gave me the bow. Is there any other way to go here, bro? Drowning. Oh, jellyfish! Those look cool. I low-key want to kill one. But at the same time, if I die, I'm stuck. That could end the video. So do I really want to do that? Let me build... kind of platform. No, why am I using this? Oh my gosh, these things actually go. No, you're killing this. Oh wait, actually no, kill the slimes. No, I just killed the slime with my pickaxe. Lol. Okay, why did I say that? Alright, alright, alright. Am I seriously building a staircase down into the water? Yes, yes I am. Because I'm going under this. Did you kill the jellyfish? I thought you could go kill them, bird. They're right here. Please, that thing looks like it has a lot of glow sticks. I could go underwater. Oh my gosh, you killed all of them. Yes, Junior, you're ruthless. I like it. Oh, by the way, this doesn't light up underwater. Okay, wait. I have a solution. Perfect solution. Just chuck a glow stick over there. And then dig. Alright. Wait, will I be able to come out of this quickly if I need air? Where are you going? Is that yellow slime? Have I ever? No, I have not. That is a lot of health. Get back. Back. Wait. Okay, I'll save that present. Just because this is probably like a Christmas special thing, so won't get many of them. Oh my gosh, it's all hard. I risked my life for it. Wait. You see something. And I am infected. What is that? What are you? Yes. Let's get out of here, Dash Demon. Ooh. Hello. One pet closes and another opens. What is up here? Wait, no! Come on, it's a simple fly out. Wait, let's take some torches. Yeah. What is that actually? I'm just noticing this odd looking this algae looking thing actually. What is that? It's an ore. If it is lower than lead, that is probably very valuable. Tungsten ore. Wait, there's one left. Okay. Hello. I mean, I feel like I should probably play an actual survival thing. What was that? Sorry, what? I forgot Terraria has the most odd mobs. For one, there's floating eyeballs and that. Oh, and I thought Minecraft came, which was scary. Okay. Those worm things are somehow. Oh look, it shows my bow on the map. Now I'm terrified. But there's no one being out here. What are you attacking? Get back, you slime demon! Back, and I am missing! Ow! Wait, where is it? Still down there? Dash Junior? Are you dead? Oh, hello. Is this an egg? No, it's a mushroom. I don't know why. Why is my sling? What is it? Strong flaming mace. Yes, I have granted it to be flaming. It was a mace at first. Mushroom. I think. I was thinking, but like there was a crafting recipe somewhere with mushroom of some sort. I'm not sure if it was this one, but anyways, just to make sure there's nothing out, I need to get that out of my inventory because I have mistakenly clicked that many times before. Okay, you can reach me. That's cool. Why? Ow! I cannot believe what a hard mode must actually be like. Yeah, actually, next video I'll play hardcore mode until I die. That'll probably be a very short video, but hey, there's such thing as YouTube Shorts, I guess. Oh, crystal heart! Oh, okay. I just want to thank my family and my. Okay, I'm just gonna mine it before something else comes. And bada boom, I got more health. I now have 100, it seems. Oh, Whoops, I did not see. Okay, what is this? Nothing of use. Yeah, kinda figured. Okay. Jellyfish! And my bird's killing them all for me. I love you, dog. I mean, birdie. Dash Junior, you are the best pet I have ever had. Cause you actually kill mobs for me and you don't take no damage. I will never have to. Oh, what just shot me? Wait, no, actually, I think I know what it was. It was probably one of those cave traps. And am I poisoned? Oh, gosh, no. No. Wait. I don't have a campfire. Wait, I didn't use this? That makes sense, 120. I was about to say, didn't I already have 100 lives? Okay. Clearly something shot me here. And I would like to figure out. It was a turret. I am correct. I need to mine that thing. Otherwise it'll kill me. So let's put some defense. Haha! Sucker, you missed. Oh my gosh! I forget that there's those type of things in this caves. If Minecraft cave update was to ever be like this, I would be terrified. Oh, I got a whoopee cushion. May annoy others. Okay, I was about to say, what's the use of this? I'll research it, cause I can. I could make dot traps, but I'm not playing with any friends. Oh, pink slime. You're tiny, but yet so strong. Yeah. Go, Dash Junior. Get him, bird. Bro, what? Get him. Okay. You know what? I got an idea. That is glass. Why do I have... I think that is from building, actually. Haha, you're trapped. Why does Jellyfish come up? Wait, was that a kite? Oh, it was a kite. I thought that was a jellyfish attacking me. Kites can be flown on windy days. Read it. Alright. Dope. I can duplicate. Just in case I lose this thing somehow, let's have a duplicate of it, you know? Okay. I kind of wish I brought my flippers with me now. Although I don't think they work properly. Or maybe I just don't use them correctly. I don't know, fam, but there's more jellyfish there, so let's go. You ready to kick some more jelly, bud? No, you're not. But I am. You know what? My bird's been doing the most this video. Let's go. I genuinely thought that was a flying jellyfish. Somehow, this is way more terrifying than playing Five Nights at Freddy's. Cause at least there you're expecting jump scares. Here there's just so many mobs I'm still yet to find. Like, I remember there's unicorns apparently in this game. I still have not encountered one. So, yikes. Okay, jellyfish. Let us go under the water. I just broke my torch. Okay, jellyfish, it's just you and me. You probably sting me. You're actually probably the thing that poisoned me. I mean, jellyfish stings hurt in real life. I know that. But why are you chilling by yourself, bro? Wait, homies, that... Can I drown a jellyfish by, like... Die! No, Dash, I got this, Not this, Dash Junior, you don't trust me. Okay. It's fine, birdie. You know what? I actually got a really good place where I would actually test my survival skills. Okay, so I actually need to go up around. Bye. I got an idea. I know one place that will test your true Okay, bye, Mirror. You're true! Terraria Brosness, let's go. Was it this way? Yes, here it is! Let's see how long I can survive in this, I forgot what it's called. I should really check Terraria biomes again. Oh, it's getting darker. Ooh, it is the cursed thing. Dash Junior, let's see how well you could protect me. Maybe I can even just slip into this cave right here. I mean, I haven't explored it, have I? No. Let's go. Dash Junior, this is up to you to protect me in this. Oh, no fall damage. Also, I think, I'm not sure. But I mean, I finally have the courage to, and it's a dead end. Wait. There's something there. Can't be the one who sees that. Wait. Why can't I mine it? No way, don't tell me this needs something else to mine it. Oh my gosh. This really is a bros thing. I heard that there's also like a hell of some sort. This is like a net. Wow, where did you come from? How? Oh yeah, no defending. That's all up to Dash Junior. And no potions of healing or anything. I am struggling to get out of here. Kinda. Okay, I need blocks. This is not gonna work. That is not a block. Okay, but like, how do you mine this stuff? I need to do some research on that. I mean, if you know in the comments, actually, please let me know, because I really do not know what to do. No. Okay. Dash Junior, this is up to you to protect me. I don't know what the heck that is, but I can't fight. I can't fight back. Dash Junior, come on. Do it for me, little guy. Oh my gosh, he killed it. He actually killed it. I'm so proud of this bird. Okay, let's chill above ground for... Why is there a slime here, bro? What? I can just run at most. Dash Junior, I'm stuck. Why am I not moving? Okay. The game was lagging, bro. Okay. Oh my gosh, Dash Junior. Oh, 66 life. Go Dash Junior. Yes, get me some of that loot. I mean, what have I gotten so far? Yeah, I'm standing still checking loot. I have that much trust in my bird. He'll protect me. Dash has defeated the 50th. Yeah, that wasn't me though. Soul Eater banner. Yes, let's duplicate that and put it up on my house when I die. Oh, 500 platinum. Wait. It drops all my coins. Dash Junior. Oh, wait, I had more. Oh, thank goodness. Oh. I thought I dropped all my money. Oh, okay. Oh, Dash Junior. I would say you served way better than I thought you would. So, congrats, little guy. Now, do you... What did you get us? We got lots of useful things, thanks to you, fam. Okay, kill that purple. No, actually. Okay. I think it is time I put up all the banners I have in my... that Dash Junior has killed, because clearly I can't say that was all me, so thank you, little guy. Duplication. Okay, where are the banners? Because there's a slime one. Yes, there's a blue slime one. Yeah. There's the Soul Eater, and there was a green slime. Yes, here it is. Dash Junior, this is all your accomplishments. Oh, you just got me purple gel. Thank you. Alright, fam. We shall put them all under our house to make love the accomplishments you have made so far, little guy. because I am proud of you. Look at that. He did this. I'm so proud of my little bird. Yes. And I think I shall end the video there. I mean, I have died. Well, if you guys would like to see another video of me playing Terraria, hit that like button and be sure to comment down below and congratulate Dash Jr. down here for all these achievements of his. Like, go bird, you rock. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.